Welcome to my YouTube channel, Making Sense of Credit, Making Sense of Making Money Online. Hey, welcome. Hey, got this story. I think this came out a few days ago. A little late on this one, but I wanted to share this with you if you haven't got it already. But this is about student loans. Before I dive into that, look, if this is your first time with me, subscribe to my channel, smash the like button if you like the content, hit the notification bell for upcoming content, and share with your friends and family. And most of all, please subscribe to my channel. All right. Hey, look, um, student loans this year is actually are going to be cheapest on record for 2020, the lowest interest rates in history. And that could be a something welcome to some families who struggle with financial aid and that sort of thing with higher education. Um, I'll leave a link for this story below for you. Um, so undergrads are expected to pay 2.75% interest rate on the federal direct Stafford loan this year, down from 4.53 during the past school year. Federal graduate loans will have a 4.3% interest rate, down from 6.08%, and the federal plus loans for graduate and parent borrowers will be at 5.3%, down from 7%. With the new rates, the average total saving on interest rates will range from 669 for undergraduates to 2797 for graduate students taking out larger federal plus loans at higher rates based on a 10-year term, according to Credible. And also, I'll leave this link to this story here for you. Rates for new borrowers are set once a year through a formula tying interest rate to federal student loans, yields on 10%. Let's see. Also, too, they also said be cautious that even if with the 40% drop in rates from last year on undergraduate loans does not mean that your monthly payments will drop by that much. But it's still a huge savings. The savings on undergrad loans is about $1,000 in interest per 10,000 borrowed in a 10-year term. That's about $100 in interest per year. Hey, it's better than nothing. The new rates apply only for new loans taken out for this academic year between July 1st, 2020 and July 1st, 2021. Non-existing loans. Current loan holders aren't allowed to refinance old federal student loans to take advantage of the new interest rates. While those who have existing higher interest rate loans could refinance their federal loans into private student loans, they need to be aware that they will lose federal student loan benefits like deferments and forbearance, the income-driven repayment, and loan forgiveness options. So be careful of that. Currently, for example, as the CARES Act, the government has temporarily reduced interest rates on federal student loans owned by the government to 0% through September 30th to provide relief due to financial hardship because of coronavirus. So I mean, look, that's really kind of in a nutshell. I always like to keep my videos short, but check this out, CNN Business. I'll leave a link below. Also, too, hey, I just wanted to thank all you guys for making some purchases, buying some products. A lot of you guys took advantage of the credit 611 credit dispute letters for like $1, and then also the credit guide, and also the online disputing online credit dispute with Experian, Transunion, and Equifax. You can get that for $5. Then also too, thank all you guys for signing up for one-on-one coaching. I appreciate it. Appreciate your business, especially in this time during the coronavirus. Hey, look, I'm going to end this video by, still this thing's not over until they get a vaccine. Stay 6 feet away. Wear your mask. when you're around crowds of people, especially on the airplane. Look, I had to get on a plane a week ago for a non-family emergency, but I think I made it back okay. I'm doing a little self-quarantine right now, but be safe. Um, Stay 6 feet back. Wear your mask. Until next time, Tony Hill, making sense of credit, making sense of making money online. Peace, y'all.